So this is Gen9 navigation joystick remote. There's additional button right here back, as well as these side buttons for enter. Now this is a Gen8 from IS. No side buttons, no back button, menu, but looks like it still works. Let's see, menu button, home. Nice, it still works. So the connector is the same. Same as this one. This is my Lexus RX one. So there's the two side by side. So it's just, so the way you tell is a Gen9 navigation has this back button and side right here, enter. Gen8 and 7 only has these two buttons, up and down scroll, and press down for enter. This one, Gen9, press down for enter or enter on the side. It's like a combo of the Gen 7, 8, and 6. Gen 6 navigation you can't press down, it's just an enter button on the side and you wobble the joystick. So now the next thing to do is actually figure out if this works on this Gen 9 joystick works on a Gen 8 stereo. So that'll be up next.